Shawnee Mission East's bowling team has a very strong bond, both between the players and coaches. Support is always shown towards the bowlers, especially when their game might be in the gutter. Head coach Fredrick Elliott and assistant coach Siobhan Scott are always there for their players when they are struggling with splits or when they are gobbling up strikes. I asked bowlers on the JV team to describe their relationship with the coaches and what makes them great at what they do.
My relationship with Coach Scott and Coach Elliott is that they both teach me how to become a better bowler, and they both improved my bowling skills.
Coach Scott has helped me become a better bowler, especially before I didn't do so well, and he just motivated me and showed me different ways to bowl with their approach. And then Mr. Elliott, his main thing is just be happy when you're bowling. Before, if I hit it out of the bumper, I'd be sad, but then he taught me, just think, next time it's just gonna get better, and he's just a really good coach, and they've helped me a lot.
Well, they teach a lot of things, which is a coach's job, and they do it really well. I've improved a lot this season, and it's just helped me become a better bowler.
Coach Scott and Coach Elliott are really good because they care about the players, and they really try to make sure we're doing our best. And my relationship with Coach Elliott is more just like a serious coach relationship, and my relationship with Coach Scott is very playful and friendly.
I enjoy the relationship you make with kids outside of the academics. Now you get to see the kids' personal life, you get to see the kids laugh, you get to joke with them. It's just a more one-on-one relationship instead of as a teacher relationship. Football teams has 100 kids, you don't get to know them all. Here we become like one big family, and we treat each other like family. Somebody needs help, we help them. They need rides, kids volunteer for rides. So it's more of a family atmosphere. And I know they're going to take this with them someday when they're 40 years old. They're going to teach their kids how to bowl. Back in 2006-07, the state first put high school bowling in, and the school thought I was the most qualified, being I bowled in high school for fun during PE. We used to always bowl a lot in college. My stepbrother was a semi-professional bowler out of Quincy, Illinois area before he deceased. So bowling's always been in my blood. They're starting a team, and I figure, wow, I can get back out of coaching. I coached football since 1985, but I got out for my own kids to watch them play at Rockhurst or wherever they were going to school. And it was just my opportunity to get back into coaching, but at a different level, not as competitive and more family-oriented. Seeing a kid improve their individual score, whether it's a young lady or a young man, if they start out the freshman, maybe they start out at 80, and then their average turns up, 117, 121. Like this year's been a really rewarding. All of our freshmen have gone up dramatically. So let's just see the individual improve. And then when they individually improve, sooner or later, your team will improve. So it's kind of like stepping stones, like that.
Mastering simple fundamentals to build on throughout a player's experience of bowling for East is what Coach Elliott believes to be most important in order for his bowlers to be successful.
We'll start from scratch. How to hold the ball. A lot of kids hold the ball wrong. They hold it in the wrong place wrong. How to work your feet. If a first-year player can learn how to hold the ball, when to release the ball, later on the other steps, it's like playing golf or other sports, tennis. You got 1,000 pieces, you got to put them together, and it takes a year or two to put those pieces together. So when somebody can put those together, we know that we're going to have success down the line. Like a life lesson would be patience. I keep telling them, you may bowl a good ball, you may bowl the next frame a bad ball, but it's like life. Life doesn't all go perfect, life doesn't all go low, it's up and down, and you learn how to communicate with yourself and get along with others. And here they learn encouragement. They actually give high fives to other teams. So they learn how to exist with others. That in life, we're going to be at a teamwork stage in our business someday. So they're actually learning individual teamwork, but getting along with other people that someday they'll be teaming with. And they're going to make friends now. They're going to meet in college again. Hey, I know you. And their communication skills really improve as a person. The shyest kid will improve and open up and learn how to get along with everybody.